So hello everyone. Today's topic is breakdown of candlestick. I want to break down the candlestick for you in a way that you can understand it in the simplest way. Now you can see here this is a bullish candle and this is a bearish candle. This is the best graphic I could get. I know it's a bit shallow, but kindly bear with me. Now for a buy momentum, I really want to break down this candle for you. Now, this is the opening of a buy momentum, opening of the candle, and this is the closing of a candle. This is the low of the candle, and this is the high of the candle. Example, I want to give you an example of price. Now, let's assume price opened at $20 from here. Price then went down, fell down to $18 or $17 before it now moved up, and it went up here to $28. Then we closed at $26. So market opened here, the market pulled down before it went up and closed here. You can see it here. I'm going to show you an example on the chart. Now on the chart here, I'm on a 1 hour time frame. Now this is a candle. This is one candle, right? Let me look for a buy candle. This is one candle for a buy candle here, right? Now, price opened. Let's use this particular candle. Let me start it for you to make it very easy. I'm looking for this candle. I'm using this candle as an example. Can you see it here? Now, this is a buy candle. If you can see it very, very well from my own end here. Now, price opened from here. Can you see it? Price opened here. Price opened at $20. Can you see it? Then price went down to $18. That is the low of the candle. Then continuing his journey, price kept going up as the buy momentum, and price went up here for $28. But price did not close at the high. You can see it here. Let me make it very open for you to see it. Price did not close at the high of the candle. Price did not close high. You can see it there. But price came here and closed below here. Now, this one candle, it means this whole candle is for 1 hour. Meaning it started from 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, like that for 1 hour. Now, I'm not going to use this hour as an example. You can come in here and check your time frame. I'm going to start with 1 day candle. Now, for a 1 day candle, it signifies that the 1 day candle is a 24 hours candle. This one candle you are seeing for 1 day is signifying a 24-hour candle. This whole candle is from your first hour to your ninth hour. Is 24 hours candle. That is what this candle is showing for 1 day. You can come in here and you can look for your different time frame. Can you see it from my own end here? You look for your own different time frame. So you can use 4 hours time frame. It means that this one candle, you can see the one candle here. This one candle is for 4 hours. Let me delete this one. This whole candle here is a 4 hour candle. Can you see that now? Now, for the 1 day candle, which is 24 hours, you can see all this section here. The same thing on the calendar section, right? On the calendar section, we have 1 week. You can see it. We have 1 week. Inside 1 week, we have 7 days. Inside 7 days, we have 24 hours. In 24 hours, we have minutes. That's the same way the chart works. Inside 1 week, the lower time frame is 1 day. From 1 day candle, in 1 day candle, you can find 4 hour candle, like 3 candles or 4 candles in a day. From that same 4 hours, you can find 1 hour candle. That's 4 candles in a day. From that same 1 hour, you can find 5 minutes, multiple candles on a lower time frame. Now, let's go back to the chart again. Now, this is for a buy momentum, right? For a buy momentum, the candle opens below and closes on top, but it creates a low and also it creates a high. For a bearish momentum, this is the difference between a bearish momentum and a bullish momentum. You can use any color of your choice. I decided to use green and red. Some people do use black and white. It just depends on you. For a bearish momentum, you can start the opening of the candle from on top of here. From up here, this is the high. Market first goes to create the high, then comes down to create the body. Then it creates opening of this opening of the candle. Market first starts. Let me draw it for you. Market first start with the opening of the candle. Then it goes up and creates the high of the candle before it comes down and creates the body of the candle. You can see it, right? This is the whole body of the candle. Then it goes low, then comes back and close. This is where we take our profits. This is where we take our profits. Here my writing here, please. This is where we take our profits. Market has closed. Price has closed. Are you with me? So this is how the candle works. This is for a bearish momentum. This is for a bearish momentum. Market opened up here and closed here, but price, I'm sorry I'm using market, let me use the word price. Price opened here and closed here, but it also created the high and created the low. In the future, you hear people say market created the high of the day, or it created the high of the week, or the low of the week. Stuff like that. You keep on hearing words like that. This is what it means. Now if you go back to our chart here very well, you can see that I'm using 1 day here. You can see that on this 1 day candle, let me go to 1 minute for you. You can come here, tap on 1 minute. 1 minute to give us a bigger picture. Now, on your right hand side, you're going to see a timer that is going to be counting down. We are on 31 seconds. Can you see that now? This candle is forming. The candle has formed the low. Okay, the candle is still forming. I want you to see the example here. Market has formed the low. This is the opening of the candle because it's a bearish candle. This is the opening of the candle up here, but we don't know the trend of the market. The market has not yet closed. Let's watch the candle finish. We have 9 more seconds, 8 more seconds to go. I'm giving you an example of how it works, so you can see how market opens, how market closes. Now you can see here there was an opening here of the candle, of the bearish candle. Can you see that? Market did not create any high. Market came here, created a low of this candle. Can you see it? And what happened? Market closed on top here. Can you see how it works now? So market created the high and the low of the candle. Now you can see this bullish candle, the same thing happened. Market went down here. Market opened here. Price opened here. Price created the low of the candle. It has created the body. The market is still forming. This is the high. The body has been, this is the whole body created of this candle. I have 14 seconds, 13 seconds to go. Do you see that? This is the high being created. Market has not closed yet. I have 6 seconds to go. 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, and 1 second have expired on that candle. Good example. You can see it, market closed here. So this is how market actually works for all of us. Now, on a higher time frame, let's assume on a 4-hour time frame, right? I want to pick this candle as an example. Let me take this one as an example. This candle as an example. This one as an example. Now, market created what? Market created the high. Don't forget the bearish momentum of the candle. Then created what? Market closed here. Price closed here. Sorry. Price closed here. Then price opened on top of here. That is the high of the candle. Price opened here. It created the high. Price came here and closed. And price created the low. Right? Now, this is how it works. Let me draw it for you. I'm sorry. Now, this is how price works. We're entering the market. This is us, right? We're a line. Price came here, created the high of the candle, which you can see was created here. Can you see it? Then it came down and created the body of the candle, and also created what? The low of the candle. Market is still on, price is still on. Price comes in here and creates the low, the close of the candle. Market now close in this direction. Do you now see how it works? This is us when we enter the trade. Market goes up, creates the high of the candle, comes down, creates the body. Let me draw a body for you. I'm trying to make it very simple for you to understand. Market comes in here and creates the body of the candle. That is our red candle we're seeing here. Then it didn't close here. It went and created the low of the candle, came up and what? Market closed. Do you see it now? Market closed. Our market closed here. So this is how it actually works. That's when you hear people say, oh, market has not created the high of the day or the low of the day. When you're on a 1 hour chart, this is what it means. Market has opened here. This is the opening of the candle. Some people will tell you it's the first 4 hours of the day. Market has opened on the candle, created its own minor high, came down, created the whole full body, went down, created its low, then came up and closed. This is the easiest way to understand a candlestick structure. This is how a candlestick structure is. If you go to a lower time frame, lower time frame, you can see it there. That candle that we marked, can you see it? That amazing candle that we marked that was in our graphics there, you can see it. Market opening, going up to create the high. You see it coming down now, wants to create the low. If you look at it very well, and it's going to close above. You can see it here. Market did what? It opened here, went up, created the high, came down. This is the whole body of those the candle you are seeing on one day, whole body of the candle, and on 4 hours, and it came and closed up here. That's how you see that only one candle. That only one candle you see. That only one candle you see that gave a long story in a lower time frame. That's how it works. So I hope this video is going to help you to understand how a candlestick structure or anatomy is being created in a simpler way. You can go on the YouTube channel. Oh, I haven't opened it yet. On my YouTube channel and go on playlists, and you're going to see a section for beginners. Kindly go on that section and learn a lot of how beginners learn trading. This is the simplest way I can explain this to you for you to understand. Let me see if I can open my channel here for you. Okay, let me see. Sorry I didn't open this on time. Let me show you how it looks like. Okay. You just search on it online, go here, and you tap on playlist. When you tap on playlist, a section was being created for Forex Beginner Academy. I'm focusing more on the beginners to learn how to trade very, very well. This is the simplest way I can break it down for you in a more and more easier way. If you have any question, go to comment section, ask me question. I always try my best to explain and so you can understand it in a more simpler way. So this is how it works. Market opens here for a buy momentum. Market creates the low. The way I showed you on the chart, market opens here, creates the low, go up, create the body, and creates the high, come down and close. This is how market a candle is being formed. If you go to a lower time frame will show you different multiple candles in only this section. So I hope this video has been able to help you to understand the whole candle and anatomy of just one candle, how it opens and how it closes for a bullish candle and for a bearish candle. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.